The German Air Force currently operates 82 Tornado aircraft. The wings sweep back to reduce drag, enabling the Tornado to reach a top speed of Mach 1.4 or 1.4 times the speed of sound. That actually is just over 1,000 miles an hour. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, here is the Tornado. Listen to the power. The Tornado is powered by two Turbo Union RB199 engines, each delivering over 16,000 pounds of thrust. These engines are designed for high performance, reliability, and efficiency, giving the Tornado its remarkable agility and speed. The inclusion of thrust reversers is a unique feature in a fighter jet to bring the aircraft to a stop on short runways if required. Now approaching from your left, the Tornado's versatility was further enhanced by its sophisticated avionics and weaponry systems. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the German Air Force Luftwaffe Tornado. It's also about the skill of the pilots and flying. German Air Force pilots undergo rigorous training to master this complex machine. Their training includes everything from navigation and weapon systems to aerial combat tactics in medium and low altitudes, ensuring they are ready for any mission related to the air-to-ground role, such as nuclear operations, air interdiction, close air support, suppression of enemy air defenses, and low-altitude attack tactics.